Alright, y'all. I'm going to get ready to go sell this. I did clean it up the best I could. It got dirty, you know, having it in the grass when I lifted it up there. But I got a gentleman coming to get it this morning for $150. I wish I had the bag for it. Could have asked for more, but hey, I'm not going to argue. We did some work on this thing, so let's see if it start on a cold start. 1 start, 2 starts, 3 starts, 4 starts. I don't think I put much gas in it, did I? It's got some in there. Must be a really cold start. Alright, y'all. He's actually leaving right now as we speak. There's his white truck right out there. He's going home with it. And there he goes. There's a gentleman going with the lawnmower and the white truck right there. There we go. There goes the truck. There goes the mower. I am happy. Alright. We did Venmo. No big deal. I got my full asking price, $150. That is 2 mowers this week I've sold. And actually, that's not the end of it. I got 2 more mowers I'm actually selling today. I had a lot of people asking me, hit me up on a Saturday here, so everything falls in place. I got another one coming at around 10:30 to come get it. So hopefully enough we'll sell this one. And it's going to be a busy day for this boy today. Lucky enough I'm off work today. But anyway, scores! That's number 2.